I'm going to be showing you guys two of my favorite things about the Bellamy Volume Weft: how to disassemble the weft and how to install the weft. As you can see right now, I'm taking a razor and sliding across the weft to break the seam, to break down the weft for a lighter fit. This is going to be for your clients with finer hair that can't handle the weight of a full volume weft, which comes with 3 separate wefts staggered, made into one. It's staggered so it lays flat to the head, but if in any case your client has finer hair, you can disassemble the weft into 2 or 1 wefts.
We don't need no money for the freaky, most seeky, no comparison, no competing. And wish you wish I could, I come true.
After we've colored and assembled our weft, it is time to install our beads. When we install the beads, it is imperative that you keep in mind the weight of the extension and the amount of hair that's going inside the bead to eliminate any damage from happening.
Blew up when I show up, a comment couldn't interrupt. I was chilling overseas with my brother Cali King at the club in Abu Dhabi, must have ordered everything. Told her, baby, bring me love and tequila. She said, why you make me wait so long to see?
So before coloring, I started out with a number 60, which is the lightest ash blonde, and I custom colored it to match her hair.
Bet you wish that I could stay, yeah. But I gotta get up and get active. Disappoint me on my passion, girl, I'ma circle right back.
Anchoring your weft before starting is important because this is going to ensure that your corners lay flat and flush to the head.
And wish you wish I could, I come true. Wish you wish I could, I come true. Pull up and I do the body good, yeah. She said, nigga, I wish you would, yeah. Wish you wish I could, I come true, yeah. Come true, yeah.
After your anchor, continue by blanket stitching all the way across till the end of the weft.
Come true, wish come true, come true, yeah. Come true, and wish you wish I could, I come true. Wish you wish I could, I come true. Pull up and I do the body good, yeah. She said, nigga, I wish you would, yeah. Wish you wish I would, I come true, yeah. Come true.
One of my favorite things is how flush and flat it lays to the head when custom colored or matched correctly.
Come true. I wish come true. Yeah. Come true. Yeah. Come true. Season after season, I don't see a reason not to go one after another, after another. Wish you wish I, yeah. Stop. Wish you wish I, young nigga killin' with the ESPN, yeah. Real player, got the game from the East End. Love my city, say it and I really mean it. If it wasn't for the love, then I wouldn't be here. Niggas preaching unity, why they excluding me? I don't sweat the scrutiny, I just keep doing me. I don't need no jewelry or all the newest things. Long as I could pull up on DTB and get you in beats. Baby took my order, I said money, power, respect. Keep potato fries and a side of collard greens. Yeah, big tired, I want my piece of the pie. You see the look in my eye.
So here I'm showing that you can't really tell the difference between her natural hair and the weft, and showing you where the weft is in the hair. That's why it's so important, and that's what's going to give you the most natural look.
I come true.